Do you want to know how you can check your betting history on Melbet? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can check your betting history on Melbet. So let's go ahead and open any browser and go to the browser to search for Melbet. Make sure that you have logged into your account. After you log into your Melbet account, hover around your profile, which is here, and you can see bet history. Click on your bet history and it will show you your history. So you can see that some of the options it provides are on the website: Toto, best line odds, unsettled bets, and auto sale. So if you have done any betting using Melbet, all of your transactions will be shown over here, and you can also check this out and clear your history, or you can filter it and send it to your email for further future approaches. So guys, this is how you see or watch your betting history on Melbet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.